In the past, digital objects were created as a byproduct of human actions in the real world. Computer systems were used to capture, store, process, and analyze these digital objects in order for us to better understand what is happening and improve organizations' efficiencies. In a traditional sense, digital objects were created to represent or mimic the real world. For example, when we build a database with customer information, each record of a customer in the database represents real customer with all available information about her. Therefore, digital objects used to be signs and symbols that point to a real person or real object. What we are seeing now is that the digital objects are increasingly created independent of physical objects or human actions. As we saw in the case of Mia Ash, her Facebook page was not created after her, it was created independent of her. In fact, there is no her. Mia Ash, a digital object, was her. In the airline ticket example, we don't produce paper boarding pass first and then create a record of it that is captured in the digital form in the airline's computer server. With the digitalization, the paper ticket, if it is ever produced, is an afterthought. We print it only when we need it. It is an avatar of the real ticket that exists only in the ether of the cloud computing. Google's autonomous vehicle exists foremost as a blue dot in the cloud. The physical car we see is being controlled by the invisible blue dot which moves freely in the digital space, representing streets in the real world. Taxi service with Uber only becomes real when we need a vehicle. Uber vehicle becomes a taxi only when we need them. Otherwise, they are just ordinary passenger cars in our neighborhood. Simulation is no longer that of a territory or referential being or a substance. It is the generation by the models of a real without origin or reality. It is no longer a question of imitation, nor of reduplication, nor even a parody. It is rather a question of substituting signs of the real for the real itself. Here, digital objects are no longer used as a way of enhancing the value of physical resources. Instead, it is digital objects that are used as the primary value creator, and the physical resources are used to enhance the value of digital objects.